How to check your credit score on Credit Karma. First of all, open the Credit Karma website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you are in, you will land on the main dashboard. At the top of the screen, you will immediately see your credit scores from both TransUnion and Equifax. These are the two credit bureaus that Credit Karma works with. To view more details, simply click on either score. This will take you to a full breakdown showing how your score was calculated, including payment history, credit card usage, derogatory marks, credit age, total accounts, and hard inquiries. Below that, you will also find recent changes, like if your score has gone up or down and why. It's a great way to stay informed about your financial health and make decisions to improve your credit. You can also switch between TransUnion and Equifax anytime to compare your scores and reports side by side. Now you know how to check your credit score on Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.